Bye-bye. Don't mind her movie playing in the background, but I wanted to, on the spur of the moment, show you guys our weekend. We're gonna go to the desert. It's such a short trip in comparison to like what some people do with their kids, and that's fine. We haven't really gotten out with Addie, and again, that's fine. The desert is a trip though that we have taken before. We just haven't taken it in a long time because our car was messed up. But right now Dylan is going to trade in our old car and get our brand new car at a church down the street from our house, because that's how Carvana rolls. Hey, we're here for it. It worked the best for us, and hopefully it actually works. I don't know. Nothing should go wrong, but you know, I'm a 6 and I think about these things. Worst case scenario, right? Anyways, so yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys our weekend. I'm really excited. And along the way, I'm going to show you guys some tips and tricks, things that I've learned while traveling with Addie, because now she's a year old. Things have changed a little bit. We bring very specific things with us when we're gonna be somewhere for a while and we're not gonna be home. So yeah, I'll show you guys when we get there. I'll show you guys what I packed, because I just packed it all up and I don't want to unpack it again. And I'll show you some of the like food that I bring, and I'm trying to not get ahead of myself with the food with Addie. I'm already just afraid that she's gonna be a picky eater because I cater to her needs, you know, and especially when we're traveling, it's like I want to make sure I have a safe food with us that I know she's going to eat. And yeah, we're working through that as us, you know, parents of Addie. We're gonna decide what's right for us and how we're gonna go about that. She's not a picky eater. She's 15 months old. She's still figuring it out, and I'm doing a good job because I'm still giving her new foods, even though I'm almost positive she's not going to eat them. I put them on her plate and I let her try them, and she does, and she might not eat all of it, but that's okay. And this nutritionist that I follow talks about how, you know, just put 2 safe foods on the plate and put the new food on the plate, and whatever they eat. And then you just like bless and release. And so I love that. But I am bringing like a box of mac and cheese just in case. Mainly just in case like grandma doesn't have anything planned for one of the lunches that we're gonna be there. I'm pretty sure she'll have dinners, but lunches might be up in the air, and so I just wanted to bring that. And then there's a guy walking down my street. And then I brought a few pouches. I'm probably not going to use them though, because grandma's got teether crackers. She bought, you know, fruit for Addie. She bought pouches. So I honestly don't want to dip into any of my food if I don't have to. And I don't think we will have to. I think I'm gonna, like, you know, really stick to whatever grandma has, she's gonna eat, you know? And if she doesn't eat, then we'll try to give her something else. Because I feel like right now just truly isn't the time to push, like, well, if you don't eat what's on your plate, then you don't eat. I know that some, you know, food accounts will say that stuff, and for me, it just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right. So, and if I do develop a picky eater that way, I'll deal with that when we come to it. I was a picky eater, and now I have a pretty good relationship with food. I try new things all the time and have gone way out of my box since I've become an adult. So there's not, all hope isn't lost if we develop a picky eater right now. All that to be said, that's just one thing that's been on my mind, because, you know, traveling and food with your kid, it can be a stressor. So I just wanted to touch on that. I did bring some things just in case I need them. So far, that's our food bag, but it's also like a bunch of other stuff, because I just didn't want to use another bag, like her sound machine and sleep sack and book and all that. That's clothes, diapers, all of her stuff. Just that bag for myself, and then Dylan's bag, and we're going for tonight, tomorrow, and then I talked Dylan into staying till Monday. So that was a long intro. Sorry if that's not what you came here for, but I like to talk. So if you watch my videos, prepare for that, especially as I continue to make videos, I'm gonna talk more. So not just sitting here waiting for Dylan to drive down the driveway with their new car. I just can't wait. Also, look how pretty it is right now. It's not too cold. This is our driveway after the rain. We have to get a blower for that, but look at the colors up there. It's just like squirrels and chipmunks and birds eating. So pretty. I was just admiring my porch too. I just moved some stuff around it that feels like perfect. So cute. We gotta install all the car seat stuff. It should be fast. Yeah, come on, Dada's coming. Are you ready? She loves coming out on the porch. Look at her. You're the cutest. Good job. I hear him. Ah. Where are you going? Dada just left us. And apparently we're gonna get down and play in all this stuff. That's cool. Ooh, she nice. So apparently we're gonna back her in. So we get a brand new car, and we're gonna back down the driveway for the first time ever. So that's cool. And you can't see nothing, so you're just gonna have to go off of faith. Dang, she nice. Here, stay right here, baby. Dada definitely doesn't want to hit you with the car. Ooh! Get a little wide view here. He wasn't sure if he was gonna hit the wall. Dang, the lights are nice. We fancy. Just back straight in. Come here. You're not gonna hit her, don't worry. Stop right there, stop. Now go back. It's okay. Yeah. He's so scared. He like doesn't want to mess it up, of course. Look at this, no. Oh man. Was that scary? I was watching. He didn't get too close. Yeah, you just keep playing. Oh yes. Our car specific toys. She only gets in the car. Here. You can put this one in here, huh? Good job. All packed up. Setting the car up. And we're off.
Closet.
Let me see it. You're so cute. That's your favorite. Ooh, it smells like a fireplace out here.
Kick.
That brownie coming back up? Mmm. Some cheesy bread. Yeah, probably. I'm surprised he's out here for that long. Mmm. That's yummy. It's so different, huh?